Hi guys, I hope you're doing great. Today we're going to continue working with adjectives. We're going to be working with good and bad and how to make comparisons with them. Let's get started. Here I'm going to explain how to use the adjective good when we are comparing. When we're just describing, we use the word good. We like it, right? Good. When we're comparing between two things, we use the word better. When we're comparing between three or more, we use the word best. I'm going to explain this with some examples. So pay attention, guys. Going to the park is good. Here I'm just describing. Going to the park is good. I'm just describing the experience. One experience, right? Going to the park is good. Number two, going to the beach is better than going to the park. Going to the beach is better than going to the park. This is how much I like the beach. This is how much I like the park. So going to the beach is better than going to the park. Here I'm comparing the beach and the park. Okay? Number three, going to Disney World is the best experience of all. Is the best experience of all. Here I'm comparing Disney World with the rest of the experiences or with the rest of the places. Here's how much I like Disney World. Here's how much I like the beach. And here's how much I like the park. Okay, this is just an example, and this is my personal opinion, okay? And I hope this helped you understand a little bit better how to use good, better, and best. Here I'm going to explain how to use the adjective bad when we are comparing or making comparisons. We're comparing between two nouns, we use the word worse. When we're comparing between three or more, we use the word worst. I'm going to explain this with some examples of bad experiences. Let's start. Getting bitten by a dog is a bad thing. Here I'm just describing one thing. Getting bitten by a dog is bad. Number two, getting bitten by a wolf is worse than getting bitten by a dog. Getting bitten by a wolf is worse than getting bitten by a dog. I'm comparing the wolf and the dog, okay? And here we have my dog and my wolf. So getting bitten by a wolf is worse than getting bitten by a dog. Number three, getting bitten by a great white shark in the middle of the ocean is the worst thing that could happen to you. The worst. Here I'm comparing the great white shark bite with the rest of the things that could happen to you. So I'm comparing between three or more, and I use the worst. And here you can see it a little bit better, okay? The dog, the wolf, and the shark. Getting bitten by a dog is bad. Getting bitten by a wolf is worse than getting bitten by a dog. Two things. And getting bitten by a shark is the worst thing of all. Okay? These are just examples, and this is just my opinion of bad things that could happen to you. Please don't forget that when we're comparing with good and bad, we cannot add more, most, er, or est. We do not add those. Remember, they completely changed to worse, worst, better, and best. Okay? So do not mix them up. Love you guys. Bye.